posture. So I'm going to teach you, educate you, and also help you practice a lot of basic asanas, which will take care of your shoulders to begin with, your back, and your leg stretches, because these three areas get really stiff, and you need to really take care of your back and your shoulders, because too much of typing, too much of looking into your laptop and into your device. So these things I'm going to really focus on, and I'm going to educate what are the asanas you can do on your regular basis. You should remove at least half an hour in your day to practice your deep stretches, and you will be keeping yourself, your mind and your body healthy. And at the end, I will teach you the basic breathing exercises which you should do every day. Not only it will definitely calm down your mind, and sitting down at home, not able to meet people, all of those things, and also it helps you to build your lung capacity. So the breathing session will also be very helpful. Let's start with your neck stretches first. All right, simple neck stretches. I want you to tuck your chin down and hold it here. 1. Now when I say neck down, don't bend forward. It's just your neck turning down. 2. 3. You should feel the stretch on the back of the neck nicely. 4. And 5. And inhale, center, and look all the way up. Get that lovely long neck stretch. And when you're looking up, slightly push your chest forward. That long neck stretch, and hold it, and it's good for your posture as well. Hold it and come back down. Look in the center. Once again, look deep down. And when you're doing this simple looking down stretch, it's really regulating your thyroid gland, guys. So people with thyroid or don't have any problem, you should do this. Very good. And once again, inhale, take your neck up and come back to the center. So take your neck to the side, to the right side. Center, take your neck to the left side. Stretch it, keep your shoulders dropped, don't rise your shoulders. And once again, pull it to your right, pull. And to your left. And come back to the center. Alright. Now this can be done sitting down also, and standing. That's a great option, guys. When you all are sitting down, in between your work, you can do all these stretches. Like every half an hour, you should do these stretches. Now guys, stretch your hands forward, feet together. If you're sitting on the chair, make sure you're sitting up. If you're not sitting on the back or a chair, come forward in your chair. Stretch your hands forward, pull your hands. So when you pull your hands, the stomach gets tucked in. The shoulders are really stretched. And inhale, stretch your hands up and hold. And nice and tall. Sit upright and hold it. I'm going to count here 5. 1. Inhale, exhale. 2. Look straight. Keep your hands next to the ears. All these postures are very good for your posture correction. As you see how your shoulders are pulled back and how your chest is pushed forward. 3. So make sure you remember these for your posture correction. 4. And 5. And exhale. Relax your hands. Let's repeat once again. Inhale and lock your fingers. Stretch your hands forward. And inhale. Stretch it up once again. Up. Take your hands backwards as much as you can. Push your chest forward. Stomach is tight, and pull your spine. So very amazing stretch for your spine, and hold. 1. Watch your posture. 2. Push your chest forward. Shoulders nice and straight. 3. Keep breathing. Make sure you're breathing. 4. And 5. Exhale. Relax. Let your hands down and relax. Okay. Now guys, once again, I'm going to stretch too. Stretch your hands forward and twist your body. Twist your body and hold. 1. You can do this while sitting and standing. 2. Twist as much as you can. It's not necessary to twist so much. You can just come here also. 3. Feet together. 4. And 5. Come to the center. Let's go to the other side and hold. 1. 2. Very good, guys. As you see, I'm twisting my waist, and it's going to really open up my lower back. 4. And 5. Come back to the center and relax. Let's repeat. Once again, inhale, stretch your hands forward and twist. Keep holding and keep listening what I'm saying. Those who are sitting on the chair, what you can do is, you can hold the handle of your chair and twist yourself. So that gives you a nice stretch as well. Okay, come back to the center and change. Other side, twist. 1, 2, keep twisting. Those who are standing, don't turn your feet. 4 and 5. Come back to the center and relax. Alright guys, some more posture correction postures. I'm going to just turn to the side. Interlock your hands behind. Okay, here. And you see, what do I mean posture correction posture? When you have a drooping shoulders, drop shoulders. For that, round up your shoulders back and pull your hands down, up here. Looking straight, you want to rise your hands up and down. Let's do it 10 times. Let's go. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Inhale up, exhale down. Make sure you're not bending forward. You should not bend forward. That's exactly what you're correcting, right? 5, down. Let's go 5 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. You can do this sitting as well. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. For the last time, let's hold it up as high as you can, as high as you can. Don't see my length. Do as much as you can. Push your chest forward. Come on, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And relax and just loosen your hands. Just relax it. Alright guys. Now just take your right hand up and take it across on the other shoulder. Your right hand up, the fingers will touch the left shoulder. With the other hand, pull your elbow down. With the other hand fingers, pull the elbow down and hold. 1. Excellent guys. 2. Do these stretches every single day. 3. I promise you, you will never have, you will feel pressure. 4 and 5. Change. Alright guys, step out, take your legs out. Now those who are sitting, please stand up. Take your legs out and turn your right foot to the side. Hands on the side, and I want you to go bend down and come up. Simply bend down and come up. Stretch your side. Let's go. 10 times. 1, 2. Bend down as much as you can. 3, 4. Pull down. Lovely. 5, 6. Pull down. 7. Very good. 8. Feel the stretch on your left glove handle. 9. All your sides opening. It's stretching your back as well. And 10. Let's pull it down and hold as much as you can hold it. You can keep your left hand up like this and hold. 1. Do your breathing. Trikonasana. 2, 3. Keep breathing. 4. And keep sliding down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just do your breathing. 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come up. Okay, let's turn the legs to the other side. We'll go to the left side and let's go down and up. Let's go. 1 and up. 2. You're bending to the left side. You should feel the stretch on your right side nicely. 4. Pull down. 5. As you pull down, exhale. 6. Lovely. 7. Keep pulling down. 8. 9. Give me the last one. 10. And let's hold it here. Hold your Trikonasana. Hold it. 1. Try to keep your chest pulled up. Don't turn your chest down. Try to pull it up. 2, 3. Do your breathing. 4, 5. Breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come up. Superb. I hope it's going great over there. Now we will directly hold the posture. Okay, turn your right foot to the side. The body is a bit warmed and opened up. So let's get on to posture. Turn your right leg to the side. Inhale, open up your arms and slide down to your right side and hold. And breathe. Let's hold it here. 1. Go down as much as you can. 2, do your own practice. 3, 4, keep your body nice and firm. 5, keep your body stable. 6, 7, breathing, don't forget to breathe. 8, 9, and 10. Slightly bend your knees and slowly inhale and come up. Now, why did I ask you to bend the knees? Because when you're bending deep down, to support the lower back, you should always soften your knees. Okay, turn your left foot to the side. Inhale, open up the arms. And exhale, let's go to the left side. And hold. Let's breathe. 1, 2. Don't come forward. This becomes a forward bend. It's a side bend. So be on the side, just next to the leg. 6. Keep these little points in your mind. 7. Inhale, exhale. 8, 9. Okay, make your left knee soft and inhale and come up and relax. Alright, come back to the center. Let's spread your legs a little further out and let's focus on stretching our leg muscles. Okay, I want you all bend forward here. Just bend forward and slightly move your body, gently move your body up and down. I'm just opening up your hamstrings before I start holding my postures. Okay, so just do this little bit of opening up in your hamstrings. Bounce here. 1, 2, gently. 3, 4. Those who feel not comfortable moving up and down, you can just hold there. 5. Move up and down there. 6. Very good. 7. 8. Keep pulling down. 9. And 10. Okay, let's hold it now. Keep your back of the knees slightly soft, your knees. Very slightly make your knees soft and hold it here. Breathe. 1, 2. I'm going to hold for 10 counts. Those who want to come up before 10, please feel free to come up. 3, 4. You should feel the stretch on the back of your legs. 5. Stretch it. Too much of sitting down, it becomes very tight. 7, 8, all your sciatica nerve and all, it's very helpful, all these stretches, guys. 9 and 10. Keep your hands down and bend your knees slowly. Inhale and come up. Turn to the left side now. Turn to the left side and bend down and move. 1. Move up and down. 2, 3. Keep pulling down. 4, 5, 6, pull down. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back to the center and slowly inhale and come up. Let's repeat this posture again, what I did. Again, legs out. We'll repeat both the postures again, okay? So again, you will bend forward and move up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull up and down. 5, 6, 7, pull down. 8, 9 and 10. Let's hold it here. Just keep your hands on your toes and hold it. Just hold it there. If you can't keep the hands on the toes, keep it anywhere on the legs and hold. 1, breathe. Keep your knees slightly soft. 2, 3, keep breathing, guys. 4, 5, keep breathing. 6, 7, keep breathing. 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come up. Okay, turn your right leg to the side. Turn your right leg to the side, the same thing. And turn your body and slowly bend forward and reach. 1, 2, we'll hold only 3-4 times up and down. 4, and now hold the posture. Hold it. 1, breathe. 2, those who still feel you want to keep moving up and down, you can do that. 4, 5, do your breathing. 6, 7, 8, feel the stretch on the back of your leg. 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come. Beautiful. Let's turn to the left side. Turn to the left side and bend forward. And again, hold it here. Move 5 times up and down. 4 and 5. Hold it here. 1, 2. Do your breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your knees straight. Don't do cheating. So as much as you can. 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come up and relax. Alright, guys. Okay, just kick off your legs slowly, gently, and relax. Right? Let's do some twisting. I want to get onto my back stretches now. Keep your legs slightly apart, hands around the waist, and twist gently. 1, 2, twist. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 7. Twist deeper. 8, 9 and 10. Come back to the center. Stay in the center. If you're feeling sucker, you'll get fine. Okay, now just see what you have to do next. You will next twist. Only twist on one side and push back. Keep pushing yourself back. 1, 2. Twist your back. Ready? Let's do it together. 3. Twist back. 4, 5, 6. You're breathing. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lovely. Come back to the center. Let's change. Other side. Twist. 1, 2. Twist deeper. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. 9 and 10. Come back to the center and relax. Everyone sit down on your mat. On the back of your mat, everyone sit down. Okay. And you're going to stretch your hands. Alright guys, so sitting down, and this is called child's pose. I want you to stretch your hands forward and hold it there. Now I'm doing all stretches for your shoulders and your back, guys. So be aware over here, all these stretches, and hold. Okay, let's hold it here. Now make sure your hips are touching into your hips are touching the heels, and your hands are stretched forward completely, and hold it. 1, as much as you can stretch. What you do is best for you. 2, breathe in and out. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, from here come up on your knees and you reach on your palms and on your knees. Okay, now I'm making you do the cat and cow stretch. I'm sure everyone must have heard about this stretch. It's one of the best stretches for your spine. Okay guys, just watch the alignment of your body. Your hip and knee one line, your shoulder and wrist always one line. Okay, so here we go. You will inhale, stretching your navel and chest into the floor, and stretch your spine up. Hold. You look up as much as you can. Second very common mistake people do is they become like this. You see how I've gone inside my shoulders? You have to rise your shoulders up. Okay? And stretch. Alright, let's go. And curve your back in. Tuck your back in. Once again, inhale, stretch it out, rise your shoulders up. Look forward, shoulders up, and hold. 1. Press your navel and chest towards the floor. 2. Feel that curve in the spine. 3. Feel lovely. 4 and 5. And curve your back in. You must note all these stretches and do them every day. Once again, inhale, stretch it out. Up, up, up. Let's hold it here. 1, 2. Rise your shoulders. 3, 4 and 5. Curve your back inside. Let's do 2 more times. Let's go. Inhale. By now, I'm sure you all must have got your posture. And hold. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders up. Don't be slouching down inside your shoulders. And 5. Once again, turn your back in. And again, sit back on your heels back and hands stretch. Absolutely stretch hands. Feel your shoulders. Try to pull the chest towards the floor. Feel your shoulders and hold here. 1. Do your breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, guys, once again, come on your knees. Okay, all of us, we are on our knees and on our palms. Take your hands forward. Take your hands forward and lie down on your stomach. All right, so we are on our stomach. So let's practice Bhujangasana. Another stretch for your shoulders and the back. Both the muscles will go here. Okay, keep your legs comfortable. Hands by the chest. Inhale. Rise up your chest up. Okay, your chest up and hold. Hold it. 1. Now over here, what happens? Many people, you lock your elbow. That is also correct. That is upward facing dog. Elbow bend is Bhujangasana. Whatever suits you, do that. But you should be comfortable. Hold here. And once again, put your chest and head down. Lovely, guys. Let's do a few more times. 3 times at least more. Once again, inhale. Up, up, up. Let's come and hold. Okay. Keep holding. Keep listening. Shoulders. Don't be like that again. Press your hands and round up your shoulders back. Push your chest forward. Posture correction here. And once again, come down and relax. Okay, once again, let's go. Inhale, keep your legs nicely apart. Up. Now, those who want to do, you can do this. Those who want to avoid, you can avoid this. Kriya Bhujangasana, that means twisting. How will you twist? You will push your shoulder back and twist. Don't just plainly turn the neck. Shoulder push back. Yeah. And come back to the center, other side. Push the shoulder and twist. As much as your body allows you to. Excellent. And come back to the center and relax. Take a quick 2-second break. We will do it one last time. Let's go. Inhale, come up. Come up, come up. Hold it. Hold it. I'm doing plain Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3. Breathing. 4 and 5. Come up on your knees. Walk your knees in slightly and touch your hips to the heels. And again, stretch forward your hands. All right. Slowly come up. Get your head up and relax. All right. Okay. We want to sit down. Cross your legs and sit down. Right. Cross your legs and sit down. Get your breath back. Get your breathing normal. Okay. Keep your right hand on your side and gently stretch. Gently stretch down, pull down to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just opened up. 7, 8. When you're doing this stretch, make sure your hips are not coming off the floor. 9 and 10. Slowly come back. Let's repeat on the other side. Left hand on the side and go down. Pull down, pull the knee down, pull the hip down of your right side and hold. 1, 2, 3. Open up the chest. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly inhale and come up. Relax. Okay, now with your right hand, hold your left knee and take a twist. Twist back and hold. 1, the hand which is behind will help you sit straight. So sit straight. Don't be crouching down. Sit up straight and twist back as much as you can. 1, 2, keep twisting. 3, 4, 5, 6. Do your breathing. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to the center. 8. Other side, hold your right knee with the left hand and twist. 1, 2, Keep breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to the center and relax. All right. Okay, let's do one hip opener. Everyone try to sit in your butterfly pose. Make a namaste with your feet. Sit in your butterfly pose. Okay. And if your knees are here, it's absolutely okay. So just pull your knee up and down. One, like you open a book and you close it. Open the book and close it. Let's go. 1. You pull down as much as you can. 2. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs and your hips opening. 4. Your hip also tends to become very, very tight. Of course, when you're sitting down so much. Keep going, guys. And on and off, guys, when you're in your working hours, try to get up, take a walk, stretch your back, stretch your legs. Keep doing that. Sit down on the floor. It's very good to sit down on the floor. Tight hips leads to many lower back issues. So that's why these muscles are very important to keep them opened up. Okay. Now, slightly take your legs forward. Okay. Wherever your knees are, whatever range, high or low, just try to move your upper body down and back. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3 and back. Just lean forward. This is for you to get the stretch around your hips. 5, back. 6, back. 7. For all these asanas, you don't really need much of space. Just a little bit and you are sorted there. You can also just do it on the floor. You don't need a mat. 9, back. And the 10th one, chalo, let's just hold it here. Slightly leaning forward, and I just want to hold it here for quick 10. With your breathing. 9, 8, and at the same time, as you're trying to reach forward, try to pull the knees also down. 6, 5, keep pulling the knees down, keep bending forward. 4, excellent. 3, 2, 1, and come up and relax. Good job. Again, you can hug your knees or you can cross your legs. All right, relax. I hope you all are feeling fine. Just relax. Okay, let's do the butterfly pose once again. Once again, come back here. And again, let's do the same thing. 1, pull deep down. 2, don't, like many people end up doing this, slapping there. No, pull down. 3, yeah, pull it down. 4, how you open the book. 5, 6, 7, 8, pulling down. 9, and pull down as much as you can. Okay, and lean forward. Lean forward. If you feel your hands are not comfortable, you can stretch your hands forward. Hold it. 1, 2, lean forward as much as you can. Pull the knees down as much as you can. 4, do your breathing. Don't forget to breathe. 5, most important. 6, keep pulling down. 7, keep pulling down. 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back up, 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 and relax. Once again, cross your legs and relax. All right. Okay. Now let's everyone lie down. Let's get on to lying down. Or if you're sitting on the chair, you can just sit on the chair. Or if you have space, you can lie down. Okay. I want to do a breathing exercise which is called Anulom Vilom. Okay. First, I will begin with normal breathing exercise. It's called the deep abdominal breathing, which you will the correct way of breathing. So keep your hands around your navel. Those who are lying down, you can do the same. Those who are sitting down, do the same. Just keep your hand on the navel. Don't press it. Just is to feel that you're breathing from your stomach. Okay, guys. And now you will inhale and you will try to blow up your stomach instead of just plainly doing the lungs. Okay, so blow up your stomach. Inhale Exhale. When you exhale, you will realize how your stomach is squeezing in. Inhale. Now your stomach is expanding. Inhale. Exhale. Your stomach is contracting. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Keep your eyes closed only. Keep your eyes closed. Alright. Now taking to you a pranayam called Anulom Vilom, in which you close your one nostril and you inhale through the other nostril and you alternated this way. So you can take any two fingers, closing your right nostril. You can do this lying down if you want to, but preferably sitting down is better. Closing your right nostril, inhale deep through your left nostril. Inhale. Keep inhaling till you can and close your left nostril. Hold the exhalation, and when you want to exhale, open the right nostril. Exhale. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale through right. Close it. Hold the breath till as long as you can, and when you want to exhale, open the left. Exhale. Completely all the air out from your body. Inhale left. Hold the breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold the breath. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold the breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold the breath. Exhale left. One time. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold the breath. Exhale left. Last time. Inhale left. Holding your breath. Exhale right. Put your hand down. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Spend few moments with your own self. Feeling your mind and body absolutely relaxed, feeling nice and light. Just focus on your breathing. Just watch your body inhaling and exhaling. Keep all the thoughts away. Just focus on your breathing and exhaling. I'm just going to leave you by yourself for a few seconds with your own self. Those who are lying down, turn on to your right side and stay there. Don't get up. Turn on to your right side and stay there. And everyone give a slight movement to your body to come out of the meditation, to wake up from a meditation. Keep your eyes closed only. People who are lying down, come up and sit up. Everyone, join your palms at your heart. We will do a round of Om chanting, creating lots of positivity around us, in our mind, in our body. Inhale. Om. 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 Shanti. 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 Thank you, everyone. And very slowly open up your eyes.